that 2025 year was the year of brain rot.
Nothing beats a Dead 2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
We spent more time on Instagram reels than on a movie or a web series this year.
What's the one thing that annoyed you the most in 2025?
Labubu's.
Oh, that is the best morning ever.
Why is that?
Because I don't know.
Because she's going on holiday. That's why.
So thanks. Yes, because I'm going on holiday, and this
Going on holiday, and so are all of you, probably sitting nicely in your houses if you're celebrating Christmas and just chilling. And
ईयर की छुट्टी होती है. Anyway, I don't think Christmas की छुट्टी होती है क्या?
स्कूल की होती है.
Schools की होती है.
Winter holiday.
Chill कर रहे हैं सब लोग. So happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays, everyone.
And welcome to.
Welcome
We are
to
just saying. Oh.
So
Oh,
calm, huh?
say.
So calm. Calm. So last month of December. No, I mean last month of the
December.
year,
Yes.
December. Did we even make it here? I have no idea.
I think how did we make it? By probably watching the best movies, watching the best memes, and doing a couple of things like that. And finally, we survived 2025.
I am going to say that 2025 year was the year of brain rot.
Time pass.
Yeah, full on time pass. If you haven't watched the time pass video, but I think if I were to total the amount of time I've spent on Instagram reels, doom scrolling, it would total out to be a lot more than watching the amount of movies I've watched or the amount of shows I've watched. Basically, I've spent more time on Instagram reels than on a movie or a web series this year.
That is true.
What do you think?
I think I have spent more time on CapCut editing our podcast.
That is there. That we don't have to tell you.
Yeah, I think you're right, on phone. But yeah, on phone, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, spend so much time on phone, on Instagram, in
Yeah.
like in simple terms, and YouTube and CapCut and all these apps. Like, these are all the memories that I have.
Exactly.
In terms of-
हमारे दिमाग में भी सिर्फ वो reels वाले ही गाने चलते रहते हैं. Like,
Yeah, man.
I feel like this year was the year for Instagram creators to be extremely funny.
Yeah, because this year got explored to like a lot of character videos, which is so nice. Like, you enjoy. It's like a little, that small stories that you used to see on YouTube and all of that. That 10-20 minutes ka
Yeah.
story ka kuch to episode aaya karta tha. Now you're getting all that on Instagram, which is quite
Exactly.
fun.
Full on entertainment. And I've loved these character videos because they're so apt and they're so like rooted in like your everyday observations in Indian
Yeah.
culture. And I loved watching Anubhavi, who does that like posh Delhi auntie that I
Yeah.
keep
Oh,
sending
I
you.
love her. Yeah, she's quite.
And I also love what's his full name? I know his surname is Shetty, who does like random uncles on the street and everything.
I don't know that, but I know that Zoravar guy who becomes Shiva. Oh my god.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. I was watching him this morning.
But this is the guy we're talking about. He does really nice skits on
Yeah,
like
look at
Indian
him.
mythology and like reenacts Lord Shiva, Indra, Mahesh and all. But it's so calm and it's so peaceful and it's so informative.
Nice, yeah. So Aarti, tell me, what's the best 2025 meme?
Meme.
Yeah, like you'll be like,
Oh
this
my
is the
God.
2025 best meme ever.
This year we have actually given into a lot of like Instagram reel trends and everything, right?
Yeah.
So I've quite enjoyed making those, as cringy as they seem. And I've loved all of the memes. And I remember
Meme.
what was yours. So that I
Mine
can-
was the girl who says, "Don't love your job, job your love."
Oh really?
Yeah.
I haven't
And
heard
that
of this
meme
one.
went viral for no reason. You don't know that?
No.
So basically, there was this big influencer, okay,
Yeah.
women motivational speaker, and she went to a podcast and then she said, "Don't love your job, job your love." And the other guy is like, "Wow, this is beautiful. That fucking makes no sense." And that became like viral and like big reel.
Oh wow. I mean, I don't know if they're favorites or not, but the ones that I can recollect are like There were a lot of. I'm gonna go a bit dark, but there were a lot of World War III memes.
Oh my god, Ayati. What are
There
you
were.
watching? Why is
It's
your
like
algorithm
I love
doomed?
how our generation is so unserious. You know, when that whole thing was happening between the countries, and they were like, "Oh, it's going to be a war or something." Yeah, all the like Gen Z was like making memes, like this is the last year anyway, blah blah blah. And it
Let's make
was
more reels and more memes.
yeah, kind of funny, like how you take a serious situation and make it unserious. And then there was Va Shampi Va in the end. And then Shivadarshini, Believe in Yourself was my
Believe in yourself.
top, I would say,
Yeah.
motivational quote of the year.
Yeah, best. Yeah.
Best, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And I loved watching those videos as well of those kids. And they'll be like, "What is your favorite food?" And they'll be like, "Burger." And then the other
Burger.
pizza, something like that. They were.
Yeah, it was quite good.
I have binge watched a lot of
Yeah.
brain rot content. Clearly,
She wasn't wrong when she said that she spent a lot of time on
Yeah.
Instagram this year. So,
Yeah,
nice.
definitely.
What would you say that the best movies of 2025?
Movies? You know, I was actually going through the list of movies I've watched this year, and I've actually watched old movies this year. I didn't watch any movie that is released in
Because
2025.
honestly, new movies are not doing any well.
Yeah.
Like, especially Bollywood sucks now. Like, whatever
Yeah.
movies come out, I don't know what they're doing. So,
Yeah.
I don't blame you.
I did watch a few shows which
Okay.
I quite liked
Okay.
this year. I really liked watching Very Parivarik this year.
Season 2 is there, guys.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
That
Go
was my ultimate like comfort watch, I guess. In the second half of the year, Bands of Bollywood came and like made
Yeah.
everything like, oh, okay, Bollywood is still alive sort of feeling for me. And what were yours?
My 2025 basically revolve around Conrad from The Summer I Turned
Oh, yeah.
Pretty. For like there was like period of 3 months on my Instagram where I didn't watch any meme. I didn't see anything apart from him. So The Summer I Turned Pretty, and I
Yeah.
also watched Delhi Crime. The best movie that I would say that I've watched in 2025 is what is that movie's name that I went to watch in theater?
With me?
No,
Some
Malayalam
Malayalam
movie.
movie.
some superpower Malayalam movie.
अरे फेवरेट मूवी का तो नाम याद
अरे यार
रखना
नहीं it's a tough name.
चाहिए. You just remember Touch It Here. This
Yeah.
is the movie.
So that's the best movie of 2025.
Yeah.
Some Malayalam movie.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I enjoyed watching Kantara as well. I watched it halfway with you guys, and then later on we continued. But it was quite interesting how they put like mythology and history together in that.
Right.
Quite enjoyed that. And I also enjoyed watching a Marathi show. I don't know, I think it's a little old, but it's called Nikai Hava. It's like a live-in couple. So I feel like regional content, like, you know, Malayalam, Marathi, and all are having its moment
Yeah.
right now. And like they're really cool also. They're like
Yeah.
having a lot more modern concepts. I really
Yeah.
enjoyed that in 2025
Hmm.
as opposed to Hindi content.
Yeah. Like these contents, all the regional ones, they are like very versatile actors and all
Yeah.
of that, you know. So अभी कैसा बॉलीवुड में बहुत ज़्यादा नेपोटिज्म और ये सब के चक्कर में
Yeah.
हो जाता है पर वो I don't know, I don't feel the acting.
Yeah.
But then when you see these I don't know, people from very parivarik and like these people acting, you can feel it, you know.
Yeah. You
So-
can feel like it hits the right nerve
Yeah.
for me. But yeah, that was
Nice.
But I think I've spent a lot of time watching podcasts on YouTube this year.
Yeah, who's your best podcaster for 2025?
I didn't realize that, but Moment of Silence was my most watched podcast because again, brain rot content. Like they can actually start with brain rot content and go like in the depth and come back, and you feel like, oh, you've just hung out with two nice people.
Oh,
I've also watched the internet set, so it's been
Nice.
a lot more about pop culture and what's going on in India for sure. And I watch Simple Ken a lot because I really like Kenny Sebastian, and obviously he gets a lot of his comic friends, and yeah. But there's also been a lot of YouTube reality shows. Like I miss India's Kurt Layton, but there was relationship advice this year.
Oh yeah, that is quite good.
Yeah.
She introduced me to that and I loved it. How can we forget Tanmay Bhatt? Oh, Tanmay Bhatt
Oh yeah,
reacts.
Tanmay Bhatt
Bro,
reacts
he
is
saves.
timeless. Like if
Yeah.
I don't know what to watch, I watch Tanmay Bhatt
Yeah,
reacts.
literally.
But what were
Um,
your favorite podcasts or anything you watched on YouTube?
I watched Rasha Mani this year.
Oh,
Yeah.
very serious then.
Yeah, very serious. अब I'm
I
like,
can't.
चलो थोड़ा motivation और थोड़ा financial stability और थोड़ा ये सब देख लेते हैं. And
Fair
also
enough.
moment of silence. And I watched quite a lot of Tanmay reacts
Yeah.
this year. Relationship advice. There's one more person. I don't know his name, but then उसके channel का ही नाम है Revisit. So basically what he does is पुराने movies रहेंगे ना, वो उसको funny बनाता है. So like I think I've sent you also.
Mhm.
I'll attach it here. So it's like कभी खुशी कभी गम Revisit. तो उसमें वो falls ढूंढता है कि कहाँ कहाँ क्या
Oh,
किया,
okay,
and
okay,
that
okay.
becomes very funny. So I've watched him quite a lot as well.
Yeah.
What's the one thing that annoyed you the most in 2025?
Labubus.
Oh, that is so good. Yeah, that is good.
Labubus were like so big. And the thing with Labubus is that you think Labubus existed only in the online world, right? Like
Oh, no,
TikTok,
no.
Instagram, blah blah blah.
I hope you guys
I
know.
actually was in London and I was walking down the street and I was outside the store that sells Labubu, and there was actually a big line, and that was the time when I realized, oh, it actually makes such a big impact. Like even the things that you're seeing online, like
Oh.
that crazy rage, it actually comes offline into your purchase decisions, and that scares me so much because people have literally burned their money away on Labubus this year.
Bro, I thought you were saying you saw Labubu. You were going to say you saw Labubu in real life, and I was so like intrigued to know the story.
No, I haven't.
बोल रही है, line वाइन लगी है.
I don't have that bougie friends who are spending money on Labubus. But
God.
do you know anyone who bought a Labubu, or
I have a Gabubu.
you have a Gabubu?
Yeah, Labubu's brother.
Is it from like Temu or Sheen.com?
Yeah. Yeah. That's why his name is Gabubu. I know a kid who has Labubu. Very cute. But then she's very happy with her Labubu. As long as kids are happy, you know.
Yeah, I mean, it is a toy, I guess. But I don't want to spend so much on a toy. I guess it was a lot more about like internal code, right? Like if you have a Labubu, you're cool enough. So everyone used to buy Labubu, and then they all started burning it because it was like bad luck or something. I was like, what a
कुछ
waste
भी हो
of
गया.
money, what a waste of, like, this is consumerism at its core, isn't it? What was your thing that annoyed you?
Annoyed me the most online. Hate towards Indians.
Oh, yeah.
That was like, there was a period.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
it was mid-year.
Yeah, now after Tyler's concert, everybody's thinking, "Oh, Indians have baddies." So hate towards Indians, and there was a period. There's always forever hate, but then recently in 2025, it just fucking bloomed, and now. I think 10 or 20 days ago when Tyler went to India and then the video went viral for like 4 girls, I don't know, dancing on the song. They'd be like, oh my god, Indians have baddies. Oh my god, Indians can look good. Oh my god, Indians this. It pissed me off in the entire fucking 2025. So it took 4 girls, 4 hot girls
To fix the problem.
to fix the racism. Like literally.
Yeah. They were saying Tyler's concert did much more for tourism than anything.
I swear.
But what is one viral trend that you're guilty of following in 2025?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Oh.
And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Yeah, she was saying this literally every day, every hour of the day. And I'm like, as if my phone is not enough, the reels on my phone, you're also saying the same thing.
What about you?
Mine was probably drinking iced matchas. I've gotten quite a few iced matchas this year, and iced matcha is such, like, it's an insult to matcha if you think about it, because you're putting like so much sugar and strawberry and this that. But I've loved it.
Yeah, I mean, I love strawberry matcha, so insult वगैरह बोल
Arey,
रहे भाई.
to a Japanese, it will be an insult. No? See,
हाँ,
someone does that
I
to
mean-
your chai.
I'll fuck them up.
See, but that and then Dubai chocolate was also something I kind of was into for a while, I would say.
Nice.
Yeah,
Good.
but those were the few trends that took the world by storm.
It made me happy talk about all the best of 2025. You guys also talk about what was the things that you were grateful for in 2025, things that you really liked online in 2025, things you hated online 2025, the food that you liked in 2025, and I don't know, the
Oh,
person you loved the most in 2025,
Aw,
the person who was there for you in 2025.
yeah.
Talk.
2025.
Oh, don't forget to
first
subscribe
half
to the channel.
felt
Like, share, subscribe,
so slow,
comment,
and the
share with
second
your
half
friends.
We always
So
forget this,
fast.
don't
Like
we?
this.
Yeah,
I mean, we assume that you've
especially
already
December.
subscribed or you're already
Yeah,
like,
and like when
you
you're
already
looking back,
know
you
us,
don't
so
remember.
that's
Yeah,
only
come
what
on,
happened
let's
in
do
the
it
first
200
6
months.
I just remember
Bye.
struggling. Struggling for everything.
Yeah, true. In the second half, it feels like, acha, abhi thodi shanti hai. It's good, we're settled a bit, I guess.
But yeah, I think that's pretty much it from us for 2025. Do you have anything, Ayati?
I don't think I have anything else, honestly. 2025 was a lot and nothing at the same time, I feel.
Yeah. But we are excited for 2026.
We are.
And we'll see you next year then, I guess.
Oh, 2025 was this podcast. So
Oh,
that'll be.
yes.
I think
That's
second half
something-
went fast because we were always making a podcast,
Podcast
or
and also
editing a
editing.
podcast or researching for a podcast.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think this was one of my biggest proud feelings.
Yeah, we started
of
something
2025.
and it's ours. Like it's our brand. It has our
Yeah.
name attached.
Yeah.
So
And we
yeah.
failed multiple times when starting this, and I'm still glad we're like so many episodes down. How many? 27?
It should be 27 now. This
Yeah.
will be 28, 29.
27 episode down. So
Wow, man.
yeah, that was great. Thanks a lot for coming on
Thanks.
this journey
Yeah.
with us in 2025. We hope to see you in 2026 as well.
Yes.
And have a great new
Yes.
year.
Yeah.
and
Happy New
holidays.
Year. Happy holidays. And we'll see you next year.
Bye.